Julia, it's time to fire up that fryer.
Yep.
What do you have cooking for us today?
Today I'm going to show you a kind of a more unusual recipe. I'm going to show you how to make turkey zucchini meatballs with whole wheat orzo. And so the turkey meatballs, we're going to add some zucchini. They're high in fiber, high in vitamin A, antioxidants, low carb and low calorie food. And the orzo, which is whole grain, of course, it has more nutrients and therefore it has iron and more fiber in it. And the trick to making this is when you start with the orzo. So here's regular orzo right out of the box. Now the trick is we're going to put them into a cake pan. This is a little 6-inch cake pan. And this is what you're going to put inside the air fryer basket. So to get started, you're going to toast the orzo. That's a little bit of oil, a little bit of garlic, about 2 minutes at 400 degrees. And you can see how it changed color dramatically. That is flavor without adding fat, and you can toast the orzo. Now, when it looks like this, you're going to add just a little bit of water, about 3/4 of a cup of water, and you're going to add some canned tomato sauce. Look for the low sodium stuff. And this is an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. And to make it a little interesting, we're going to add some spices, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of ground clove, and some black pepper. And those warm spices really give it a modern flavor. So this then goes back into the air fryer, and it cooks for about 20 minutes or so until the orzo is al dente, a little mostly tender, but has a little bit left. A little bit of toothsomeness left right in the center of the orzo. And here's what it looks like. So you're cooking the orzo right in this little cake pan. And this is a nice big air fryer basket. But not everybody's air fryers are this big, so that's why we have a nice little pot. This can really work in a wide variety of air fryer brands. So while that cooks, what you want to do is you're going to make the meatballs. And this is really cool. So here I have 8 ounces of turkey meat. And now when you shop for turkey meat, there are 2 kinds you can buy. You can buy all white meat, or you can buy just ground turkey. And I'm going to steer you towards just the ground turkey, because the turkey white meat is really hard. It tastes very dry. It doesn't have a lot of flavor. It has a really sort of rough, rubbery texture. So the regular ground turkey, still a good savings in terms of calories and fat from ground beef, but it has more flavor than the all white stuff. So to this, we're going to add some zucchini. So here I have half a zucchini, it's about 4 ounces. Using a box grater, we're just gonna grate it right into the bowl. So you get a lot of fresh zucchini. This acts as a binder, adds moisture, but also, adds a vegetable. And I love tricks like this that add vegetable into everyday foods, kind of like not really fooling the family, but kind of fooling the family. My daughter will eat a meatball in any shape. And if it has some, zucchini in it, she doesn't know the difference. Kind of love the sneaky bits of that. To this, we're going to add some flavorings. Here I have some fresh oregano, a little bit of garlic, a little salt and pepper. And now we're just going to mix this together. So then we're just going to make meatballs. We're going to place them right on top of the orzo that's cooked. As I said, it makes about 8 meatballs.
Sounds delicious. Turkey meatballs over orzo. I wish I could try it.
Yeah, well, and it's the warm spices that kind of catch you by surprise. And it's a really lovely change of pace from your everyday sort of Italian style meatballs. All right, so those are the meatballs, goes on top of the orzo. And then this goes into the air fryer again. Those meatballs, they need about 10 minutes to cook at 400 degrees. And then when they're all done, you're going to sprinkle a little feta on top. And this is what it looks like. You cook the feta for a little bit, and you have a lovely little healthy dinner for 2 with feta. Put some fresh oregano on the top. It's delicious.
It's a thing of beauty. I love it. Well, Julia, clearly I'm feeling inspired. I like the orzo substitute for your pasta, turkey meatballs, and this only 410 calories per serving for the entire meal. I mean, that's impressive.
Yeah, and it's hearty. It's a hearty dinner.